Now let us see some examples of nouns that take the article L apostrophe before them. For example, the word enfant. It means child. Since it begins with a vowel, we place L apostrophe. The next word is appartement. Since this also begins with the vowel A, we place L apostrophe before it. The next word is ordinateur. It means computer. Since it begins with a vowel, we place L apostrophe. We read it as l'ordinateur. The next word, as we already saw, is école. École means, do you remember? Yes, it is school. L apostrophe. We read it as l'école. The next word is examen, which means exam. This also begins with a vowel, therefore L apostrophe. The next word, ami, means friend. If it is AMI, it is in the masculine singular form. If it is AMIE, it is in the feminine singular form. However, since it begins with a vowel, no matter whether it is AMI or AMIE, it is preceded by L apostrophe. It is either lami or lami. The pronunciation is the same. The next word is œuf, which means egg. This also begins with a vowel, therefore we place L apostrophe. The next word is étage. Étage means stage or flow. Since it begins with a vowel, we place L apostrophe. The next word is eau, which means water. It begins with a vowel, therefore L apostrophe. The next word is hôpital. This word does not begin with a vowel. However, it begins with a H, which is silent. We already learned what is called the H mute. Since it is pronounced hôpital, we place L apostrophe. It is pronounced as l'hôpital. The next word is année. We learned this word when we learned the months of the year. So, since it begins with a vowel, L apostrophe. And finally, the word adult. Since it begins with a vowel, place the word L apostrophe before it. So, let us go over this once again. L'enfant, l'appartement, l'ordinateur, l'école, l'examen, l'ami, l'œuf, l'étage, l'eau, l'hôpital, l'année, and l'adult. I hope you understood the words where we use L apostrophe before that. Now that we have seen the nouns that use la, and L apostrophe, we will now move on to the next one, which is the plural form. In the plural form, whether it is masculine or feminine, we use the article les. Les is used for all plural forms, whether it is masculine or feminine. So shall we see some examples? For example, take the word fruit. Fruit means fruits. Notice the S at the end. This shows that it is in the plural form. So we say les fruits. Les fruits. The next word is fleur. There is an S at the end, which shows that it is in the plural form. Fleur means flowers. So it is in the plural form, so we use les. Okay? The next one is légume. Légume means vegetable. This is also in the plural form, therefore we use les. Okay? The next one is voisin. Voisin means neighbors. The S at the end indicates that it is in the plural form. Therefore, we use les, les voisins. This word is voiture. See the pronunciation, it is voiture. Voiture means car. Since there is an S, it is in the plural form. Therefore, we say les voitures. Let us see these words once again. Les fruits, which is the fruits. Les fleurs, which is the flowers. Les légumes, which is vegetables. Les voisins, neighbors. Les voitures, cars. You can practice these by trying to name the everyday objects that you use. For example, your book. What do you say for book? Do you remember? Yes, it is livre. Though it is in the masculine form, when we have a number of books, we say les livres. So you can practice by trying to name your everyday objects. You can use a dictionary for help. Now let us move on. Bijou. This means jewel. Notice that there is no S at the end. However, there are some words which end with AL or something. They take UX in the plural form. So, les bijoux. Here this word is journaux. Journaux. It is the plural of the singular word journal. Journal is in the singular form. In the plural it becomes journaux. It means newspaper. So, since it is in the plural form, you say les journaux. In case it is in the singular form, journal, you would say le journal, since it is in the masculine form. Do you understand that? I hope you are not getting confused. See the next word, animaux. It is also in the plural form. This AUX at the end indicates that. Les animaux. It means animals. The next word is bateau. Bateau means boats. In the singular form, this would be B-A-T-E-A-U. That would be the singular form. In the plural, we add an X. So, since it is in the plural form, we use L-E-X, les bateaux. The next word is manteau, which means coat. The coat that we wear. Since this AUX indicates it is in the plural form. Therefore, we say les manteaux. Okay, let us see these once again. Les bijoux, les journaux, les animaux, les bateaux, les manteaux. Have you understood these? This is a summary of the definite articles. You can try to name the objects that you use every day. For example, as I told you before, your books, la gomme, the rubber. If it is in the plural form, les gommes. So I hope you are not getting confused. If you are confused, just go over it once again. It will be clear.